In this video, you're going to find out why Vision X makes one of the top rated picks of all LED rock light products available. It's easily the brightest choice that you can get in a rock light, the mounting is great, and the control system is second to none. The way we compared this rock light kit against everything else is we looked at 5 features of each kit. First, we started with mounting. How does the product mount? What equipment does it come with? How good is the mounting system? Then we looked at wiring. What kind of wiring does it have? What do the connectors look like? Does it come with enough wiring to reach front to back? Then we looked at control. Does it have a relay harness, a remote, a switch? Does it have just bare wires? How does this thing actually function? Then we take a look at color. Do they come in multiple colors or just one color? And how good is that color? Lastly, we looked at brightness, one of the most important features of any rock light. We determined that if you needed more than 2 per wheel well to light the whole thing up, they aren't bright enough. So we compared everything and found this one in the top 3. Lastly, we're going to take a look at the Vision X LED rock light kit. Now, Vision X invented LED off-road light bars back in the day, so I have high hopes for this product line. The pods themselves have a very industry standard footprint with reinforced side mounting posts that come with this mounting kit here. It has a couple different spacers and adapters for different applications. You know, Vision X does a lot in the off-road and UTV market, so it makes sense that they've got a pole mount for an ATV application. And then you also have a flat spacer in case that's helpful for what you're trying to accomplish. The hardware inside are these little Allen screw, machine screws, and little tiny nuts and washers. And it looks like they're long enough to do the trick, but they're definitely not the most sturdy option that we've seen. If you were going to use one of the spacers and put the rock light on it, it goes through, it clears, and you actually have plenty of space on the other side to mount the rest of your hardware. The wiring system that comes with the Vision X kit is pretty impressive considering these are only single color lights. You can get this in an RGB or multicolor function, and normally the wiring for a single color system is not this well thought out. This entire system is your wiring to control the lights. It's got waterproof connectors, it's got long harnesses, it has a relay, it has battery connections. This is a really great wiring system for the rock lights from Vision X. As you can see on the rock lights themselves, they have very long wiring, so you shouldn't have any problem running from each of the 4 corners up to the front of the truck where your controller is located. When you do run the wiring up there, you have these great 2-pin waterproof style connectors that connect very easily. This is an industry standard style that a couple of the other options that we featured in this video have. And then it goes to the controller. The controller from Vision X seems very well thought out. The rock light connects to a splitter. The splitter is built into the distribution box. The distribution box has a relay harness that connects to your battery, positive and negative, and then it has a built-in switch. This system from Vision X is the most comprehensive rock light control system of any of the single color lights we tested today. The LED chips from the Vision X kit are very high quality Cree units that look an awful lot like what Rigid Industries is using. Therefore, these uniquely filtered small automotive grade chips create a brilliant red color that can't be beat. As expected, the Vision X LED lights have just as much power as their light bars, and this is an extremely bright option. When I shine it in front of me, I can illuminate the space brightly even though I'm using a color, which is kind of hard to do. I'm confident if I had 2 of these mounted in my wheel well, it would be extremely bright. You cannot go wrong with this LED rock light kit. Of all the ones we've tested, it comes in the top 3 for sure. If you want to see how it stacks up exactly to the competition, go check out our full-blown shootout video where we look at this one and many other rock light kits before you pull the trigger on your next purchase.